Question number 4. A, B and C are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3:2. Okay. A died. A died. And then what happened? B and C will share profits in the ratio 2:1. A died and B and C will share A's share in the ratio of 2:1. Now what to calculate in this question? In this question we need to compute gaining ratio. We need to calculate gaining ratio. What is the formula of gaining ratio? New minus old. Yes or no, children? So when A died, what will be the new ratio of B and C? The new ratio of B and C would be 3. Sorry, we need to compute. We need to compute the new ratio of B and C. So let's compute the new ratio of B and C. What is B's old share? 3/9. Yes or no? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much he gets from A's share? A's share is 4/9 and B is getting 2/3. B is getting 2/3. So 3/9 plus 4 2 ja 8, 9 3 ja 27. So let us take LCM. 8, 9 3 ja 3 3 ja 9. It would be 17/27. Let us calculate C's ratio also. What is C's ratio? Existing old ratio 2/9 plus how much he gets from A? 1/3 of A's share. So here it will come 2/9 plus 4 1 ja 4, 9 3 ja 27. 27, 4, 9 3 ja 3 2 ja 6. Isn't it? 6 plus 4, 10. 10/27. Is that clear, dear children? So what is their new ratio? 17:10. This is the new ratio of B and C. B and C. 17:10. Can we calculate gaining ratio? Yes, we can calculate new minus old. So let's calculate gaining ratio. Gaining ratio of B. What is new ratio of B? 17/27. What is old ratio of B? 3/9. 3/9. Let's calculate. 27 will come. 17 will come. 9 3 ja 3 3 ja 9 will come. 17 minus 9, 8/27. Okay. Let us calculate for C. What is C's new ratio? 10/27. 10/27 minus what is B's C's existing ratio? 2/9. So it will be 2/9. So 27, 1 ja 27, 1 10 ja 10, 9 3 ja 27, 3 2 ja 6, 10 minus 6, 4/27. So gaining ratio is 8:4, or we can simplify 2:1. And children, you can see they are gaining in 2:1. They have taken 2:1 from A. So this is proof. This is evidence that yes, 2:1 is the correct ratio. Correct gaining ratio. Question number 5. W, X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 13:16:13:16. 13:16:13 and 16. What happened? Y died. Okay. Y died. W, X and Z decide to share the profits and losses equally in future. So W, X and Z decides that in future we will distribute equally. So their new ratio is 1:1:1. This is what they have decided. Calculate gaining ratio. Okay, we will calculate gaining ratio. First we want the normal ratio. 6, 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. So this is their old ratio, 2:1:2:1, and this is their new ratio. What is required? We need to calculate gaining ratio. The formula of gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. So let's calculate for W. The new ratio of W is 1/3 and the old ratio of W is also 1/3. Yes or no, children? Directly you can see. Huh? So it will be nil. Then let's calculate for X. What is X ratio? New ratio. New ratio is 1/3 and old ratio. Old ratio is 1/6. Let's calculate. 6, 1, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 1, 1/6. Gaining, X is gaining 1/6 and there is one more partner Z. Z's share, new share is 3 and Z's old ratio is 1/6. 1/6 with the same. So 6, 2 minus 1, 1/6. It means only X and Z are gaining 1:1. Simple. I hope it is clear, children. It is very simple. है ना? Nothing is there. Let's calculate question number 6. Now there is one more part, B part of question number 5. We will solve this also. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. 5. B part. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. A died. Sorry, C died. C died. A is acquiring 4/9 of C's share. A is acquiring 4/9 of C's share. Okay. And balance is acquired by B. If A is acquiring 4/9 of C's share, tell me how much B is acquiring. Can anybody tell?
Sir, 5/9.
5/9. Very good. 5/9 of C's share. Simple. Very good. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. These two ratio we need to calculate. So first we calculate new profit sharing ratio, but I will tell you their gaining ratio is 4:5. Okay. So let's calculate new PSR at the time of death of C. So A's. What is A's old ratio? 4/9 plus. How much A gets? A gets 4/9 of C's share. You can see here. 4/9 of C's share. So what is C's share? C's share is 2/9. Multiply by 4/9. I hope it is clear. So let me solve 4/9 plus 2 4 ja 8 and 9 9 ja 81. Let me solve. Take LCM. 81. 8 plus 9 9 ja 81. 9 4 ja 36. 36 plus 8. 44/81. I hope it is clear, dear children. Then let us calculate for B also. What is B's old share? 2/9. And how much B is getting? 5/9 of C's share. No, B's share is 3/9. B's share is 3 by 9 plus 2 by 9 multiply by B is getting 5/9 of C's share. Then we calculate 3 by 9 plus 2 5 ja 10, 9 9 ja 81. So it would be 10, 9 9 ja 81, 9 3 ja 27, 27 plus 10, 37 by 81. What is this? This is new profit sharing ratio. 44 is to 37. Okay, 44 is to 37 is the new profit sharing ratio of A and B. Now what to calculate? We need to calculate their gaining ratio also. We can calculate easily. Gaining ratio of A. Formula of gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. So what is new ratio of A? 44 by 81 minus old ratio. Old ratio of A was 4 by 9. Let us calculate 81, 44, 9 9 ja 81, 9 4 ja 36, 44 minus 36, 8 by 81. Let us calculate for B also. What is B's new share? 37 by 81 minus what is B's old share? 3 by 9. 3 by 9. Let us calculate 81, 37, 9 9 ja 81, 9 3 ja 27. So it would be 10 by 81. So their gaining ratio is 8 is to 10, and when we simplify we get 4 is to 5. This is what I was talking about. 4 by 9 and 5 by 9 is given here. Yes or no? I hope these points and these questions are very clear, dear children. Huh?